safely lift the car on jacks. One jack stand right here, one on the other side, and in the middle we have the jack, so for more safetiness. So as always, everything is complicated. So yeah, okay, it's simple. Bolts here, here, there. There should be one right there, one right there, but they're not there. One there, here, and these plastic pins right here. And then this whole plastic cover goes beneath the car. So plastic clip here, plastic clip there. There is a bolt, another bolt, another bolt, there's another one, and it looks like that's it. And I guess to get this one out, I need to remove this a little bit, so because it's beneath this thing, but I really don't know if it's connected right here with these pins, so yeah. As always. So I removed the clips right here. I used this kind of a tool and just to press in the plastic pin that's holding there, like inside there, and it fell in somewhere here in this shaft right here. I think I will probably get to them, I hope, but I'm still gonna remove the whole front fender, so yeah, probably gonna find them. So yeah, let's continue. Now we're gonna remove the 10 millimeters that we have right here. My mistake, those are 8 millimeters. So now I have removed all the bolts and plastic clips. The one right here too. And seems like it's moving very easily, yep. Someone was already removing it at some point and just broke this probably, but yeah, let's remove it completely then. So I have removed the plastic thing, and there is pin number 1 and 2, and inside there's pin number 3, so all good. So now we're gonna remove the accessories, the turn signal, front headlight, and I guess that's it. And so now we're gonna remove the turn signal. Inside you can see the spring is in front of us, so we should, I guess, pull it like this. We can pull the spring, press it in, and then just, no, that's not the way. You gotta press it from the other side. Oh, like this. Yep. Ah. So how to remove the headlight turn signal? You see that bright plastic latch right there? You just need to take your screwdriver and push it downwards a little bit, so you can see the headlights moving, and then you just pull the headlight out at the same time when you're pushing this latch downwards. Now we're gonna press it in, and gently from this side push it out. Gently. Just like that. And there's the latch right here, this latch. Let's disconnect the cable, and there's our headlight. We have this plastic lip that's under the headlight. It's connected right here with the clip, I already pushed it outwards a little bit. You can see it better from the inside. Right. Nope. Right here. Yeah, that's one. I just pushed it forwards. There's a clip in the middle, and yeah. So now we can remove that one bolt that's right here, one bolt right there, one bolt at the bottom. Then we're gonna remove the bolts on the top. Why in that order? Because if we remove these bolts right here, and for example, this one is your last bolt, the fender could fall onto you, like could like just fall on the ground. You can damage it, because I want to still reuse this fender. And yeah, so when we remove it here, we can just take this, for example, this middle bolt will be the last one. We just take it right here on plug, and then we can wiggle it off. You will need a very long, not very, just longer than ordinary socket combination to get to the bolt that's inside there, so you can reach it. Let's see if we have enough clearance. Yup, we are good to go. So I have unbolted the bolt, and you have to be very careful not to drop it. Not careful, but it's just, you don't have to pick it up again. And the last bolt is right here, that one, this one. And yeah, you have to protect your car doors. You don't want to scratch the paint. So yeah, this is the last one. Then gonna move to the top ones. Again, you need a long socket combination, because this plastic panel right here is in the way, and yep. So we can, yeah, easily remove it like this. So these bolts right here are Torx 35. Before you remove these bolts, clean the insides, so you have more area to, like, you can put the torque deeper inside. Hold the panel so it doesn't fall off, and remove any obstacles. And now we can gently remove it. Hey, there's one more right here. My bad, guys. There's one more bolt beneath this plastic. I thought there should be one, because on a sedan there is one, but I didn't notice. So yeah. So I gently wiggled it upwards, and it seems like you can, it's not broken, it's just a plastic like this, and you can get to the bolt right here. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I don't know why, but on the sedan I had the same problem with this one, and I don't know, because of the water getting there, maybe it gets rusted away or something like that. So it's already ripped a little bit, so yeah, I'm gonna figure something out. Probably will have to drill it out. So the options that I have now, I'm not gonna drill it, I have only one, I think, and that's welding. You can already hear the excitement in my voice. Yeah, if we're gonna weld here, we have to protect the windshield and the hood. A little bit maybe the front fender, but most of it, yeah, the windshield. And so yeah, I'm gonna prepare everything, and then we're gonna start to weld. First I'm gonna weld on a nut, a small bump, then I'm gonna weld the nut to it, and yeah, I'm gonna make sure the weld penetration is very good, so we could remove this bolt. It's gonna heat up a little bit, and that's gonna help us with removing it. So safety measures have been taken. Yep, this is the welding coat that I have. Underneath it, the blanket, that's for the windshield. This is just a microfiber towel. I think it's gonna do a very good job. It's moist a little bit, and yeah. Here, I do not bother about this thing right here because we're gonna repaint it anyways if we're gonna reuse it sometime, so yeah. And now we need to prepare the area, remove all the dirt and remove all the paint so it has a very good welding penetration. So yep. I'm gonna use a little wire brush and a Scotch Brite to remove the dirt and the paint. That's how it looks right now. We're gonna clean it with isopropanol, and yeah, that's an alcohol-based substance, I think, and yeah. And we're gonna clean it, and yeah, then we're gonna start to weld. Now you have to be careful and look for the smoke so nothing catches on fire. Now I have found this kind of a bolt. I think it's 17mm, but yeah, it goes over the weld spot that I made, and now I'm gonna weld it to the weld spot. So I have welded on. There's no need to weld it thoroughly fully welded on, because these on the sides, when you're gonna weld, the puddle's not even gonna reach the puddle that's beneath, and that's gonna melt together. So yeah, I'm just gonna English, motherfucker, do you speak it? One right there, and this is enough for us. So now we're gonna try to unscrew it. I hope so it works. Oh, are you kidding me? It came off without even hard work, like the heat, because the heat did everything, and yeah, it let it loose. Now we should still remember about the panel not falling down, and here it is. Ta-da! I hope I didn't forget anything. There's one bolt right there. Now we'll just have to move the plastic molding, the last part we have right here. So I broke one of the clips, but that's okay, we can glue it together, I think. Turns out it broke off because it was already fixed before with the glue, and yeah, but we're gonna figure something out. So we're gonna remove the other fender. I have soaked every bolt in WD-40. I soaked this bolt in WD-40, cleaned the inside, and I got it loose, and nice, that's cool. We don't have to deal with this side that much, so yeah, let's do a speed run now. So I removed the second panel. It took me about 20 minutes, and yeah, that's it. Turns out you don't have to remove the headlight to remove the fender. Who wouldn't know? And yeah, that's some huge bug. So these are the panels that I painted. I have some very big clear coat sag right here that I need to polish out. As you can see, maybe, yeah, and there's another one right here. So yeah, but I'm gonna polish them out when it's on the car. So yeah, now we need to tape these edges right here, like 3 centimeters above, so that rubber coating that I'm gonna put right now underneath it doesn't get onto the paint job. So yeah, that's what we are going to do for the both panels. So So we have taped the panels, we're gonna flip them over and then we're gonna paint the inside. So I put on the second coat. Now we're gonna leave it dry for 3 hours, something like that. And yeah, now we're gonna assemble it.
2 hours later.
Now we're gonna install the front fenders. So turns out you still have to remove this headlight because this tab right here is going in front of the headlight. You can push it like this inside if you want, but I don't know, so I just remove it. It's a lot easier to install. So yeah, the rubber coating is still a little bit sticky on, so I'm being extra careful. So yeah, this whole job is kind of in a rush, so that's why already 3 hours have passed, so it's still sticky, but I have installed it. So we put one bolt for the safety so it doesn't fall off, and yeah, now we're gonna assemble everything together. Again, I'm going to use a little bit of Vaseline as an anti-seize. There's one bolt that's shorter than the others. This is like all the others are, and there's one shorter, and that goes right inside there at the end. So when installing these bolts right here, one down and one on top right there, don't tighten them fully because you can align the panel with the doors so it's even. Just press it inwards or pull it outwards. Same here with this bolt. You can align it with the bumper. So about this bolt that goes right inside here, I am going to just fix it somehow and then I'm gonna install it. I have a little problem. I'm gonna use this bolt instead of this one because we are missing this metal, how should I say, attaching clip, and it's smaller than the original bolt, so we're gonna use this bolt instead. Now I have this molding that we need to install. One clip is broken. We're gonna use double-sided tape, clean it off with alcohol, put double-sided tape on it, and yeah, that's how we're gonna fix the problem. Okay, now we can install it. Now we have installed all the plastic caps with the anti-seize, all the bolts with the anti-seize too. One new bolt right there. Everything down here with anti-seize too. So yeah, this side fully installed. Now we have to install the other side.